Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Oppo Reno 8T. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside find Firefox, select it and press on the install. When it's ready you should be able to open it, allow to send notifications, and now you can customize the browser by changing your theme, picking up your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization and switch between privacy protection settings. Lastly, read privacy notice and click on start browsing. Here we can open a website, and as you can see, browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.